Let us see how to solve and check algebraic equations which are slightly bigger than what we were dealing with. So we have 6 of them here. I will do a couple of them for you and rest is for you to practice. Okay. So A is x minus 3 equals to 6 plus 4. B is y plus 6 equals to 4 minus 3. C is x plus 6 equals to 14 minus 5. D is n minus 4 equals to 4 plus 5. E is x minus 8 equals to 12 minus 4. And F is x plus 3 equals to 12 minus 5. I'd like you to pause the video, copy these questions, right? And then try to solve them. And then look into my suggestions, right? Here are my suggestions. Now let's start with the very first one, which is x minus 3 equal to 6 plus 4. Now what is the variable here? Variable is x. And we do have an equal to sign, and therefore it is algebraic equation. Algebraic means a variable, equation means equal to. Okay. Now what we should do as first step is combine the like terms. So first step here for us is combine like term. So step number 1, let me write here. Step number 1 for us will be combine like terms. Now what are like terms? Like terms are numbers are like terms. For example, 3, 6, 4, these are all numbers. So we call them like terms. They are all like similar, right? They are all numbers. Second, the other part in equations, variable. Same variables are like terms. For example, if I have x here, x can be combined with x. Think like apples, right? If we have 2 apples and 3 apples, they can be combined. Correct? So that is how it is. So first step is combine like terms. We have 6 plus 4 on this side. Let's combine them and rewrite our equation. We get x minus 3 equals to 6 plus 4, 10. So that is the first step. So now we get back to the equation which we had been dealing with so far, correct? Now we have x minus 3 equals to 10. What should I do now? Second step should be we have to isolate x, right? So isolate variable. That is the second step, is isolate variable. So what is the variable here? Variable is x. So isolate means get rid of other things. So if you want to get rid of minus 3, what should you do? You should add 3 both sides, right? So you should add 3 both sides to get rid of minus 3. Once you do that, you get x equals to 10 plus 3, 13. So you get your solution. So that is how you solve, right? So we have done the first part, right? That is, we have solved. First part is to solve. Now the next part for us is to check. Now how do we check it? Now to check your answer, that is, let's do check. Check means what? Check means we have to ensure that left side is equals to right side. That is what we mean by check. Now in this equation, left side is x minus 3. What is x? X is what you found, 13. So put 13 there. So we have 13 minus 3 on the left side, and on the right side we have 6 plus 4, correct? Now 13 minus 3 is what? 10. And 6 plus 4 is what? 10. So as you can see here, 10 is equal to 10, right? So therefore that is correct. So this is a check for you. So checking means substitute your variable, the value of your variable, and check if left side equals to right side or not. So the third step for these questions will be check. And check means ensure left side equals to right side, right? That is what we do. So we'll be doing these 3 steps for all these questions. So I'll do one more for you. Rest you can do on your own, right? Now the next one here is, I'll do part C for you. X plus 6 equals to 14 minus 5. Now 14 minus 5 is like terms. We'll add, subtract in this case. 14 minus 5 is how much? It is 9. Okay. So now we get our general equation. Simple. X plus 6 equals to 9. To solve this, we have to get rid of 6. We'll take away 6 from both sides. If we take away 6 from both sides, we get x equals to 9 minus 6 as 3. Now let's check it. To check, we have substitute 3 here. So we get 3 plus 6 on the left side, and we have 14 minus 5 on the right side. What is 3 plus 6? It is 9, and we know 14 minus 5 is also 9. As you can see, both are equal. So we check, the answer is correct. Do you see that? That is how we are going to solve these questions. Okay. Now let me do one more for you. That one is the last one now. So we'll do D. N minus 4 equals to 4 plus 5. 4 and 5 are like terms. You can always add them. So we get 9 on the right side and n minus 4 remains on the left side. To get rid of minus 4, I should be adding 4 on both sides, correct? So we'll add 4 on both sides. With the result, you get the value of n. So we have solved for n. Solution is n equals to 13. How will you check? Substitute the value of n, 13, on the left side in this case. We have 13 minus 4 on the left side. On the right side we have 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. How about 13 minus 4? That is also 9. So we have left side equals to right side. So therefore the solution is correct. So that is how we are going to do it. So I'll appreciate if you do the other 3 questions and then move on to the next exercise. Okay? Thank you.